blinded by the lights. Let's wait until tomorrow starts tonight. It starts tonight. Let this promise in me start. Like an anthem in my heart. From now on. From now on. From
Balag! Welcome back to Kada Umaga. Good morning.
Good morning po sa lahat.
Ayun. Thank you for joining us this Tuesday morning. At ito, kanina diba binanggit ko na Dreams.
Yes.
Bakit mo pinili tong title? Ikwento mo sa amin.
Dreams kasi, I'll be singing my dream songs dito sa concert na to. Yan sa December 3 sa Newport Performing Arts Theater sa Newport World Resorts. Ayan, kasi I've been dreaming of singing these songs on stage. You know, I've done concerts before kasi, you know, it has a concept and sometimes we adjust according to the concept of the
Totoo.
concert.
Depende sa repertoire ng
Diba?
gusto ng mga producer sometimes.
Yes, but this time I want to be a little bit self-indulgent. Na
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, it's my favorite songs to listen to na ngayon. It's gonna be my first time actually to sing these songs dito sa concert.
Paano mo napili, like, halimbawa, di ba, yun yung mga dream songs mo, but ang tagal na din ng career natin, no, di ba, medyo matagal ka na rin dito sa ating industry, eh. So, ang daming dream songs for sure. How do you
Yes.
actually choose doon sa list mo?
But like for example, kasi sa musicals, I wanted to sing even before pa yung Memory by the musical Cats. So I wanted to give my own take on the song na, you know,
Your version?
na
That's
pambabae
nice.
siya, di ba? So, ito pang gagawin ko siyang male version.
Nice.
And then, yung mga OPM songs din natin, like Sometime Somewhere, you know, I've been wanting to sing those songs by Basil Valdez. And marami pa, even on the current hits, meron akong mga in-include.
At bukod sa ito, yung ikakantahin mo lahat ng mga gusto mong kanta, anong pagkakaiba dito sa Dreams concert natin, sa mga iba na nagawa mo?
So, ito maraming twists and turns yung concert.
Talaga?
Yeah, because, yun nga,
Kwento.
itong, like, yung Memory, you know, it's a female song, but, you know, I will
You'll
sing
make a
it.
male version of it.
Yeah,
Oo.
maraming mga twists akong gagawin sa mga songs.
May mga guests?
Yeah, I have special guests, of course. Yan, una-una si Mr. Marco Sison,
Nice.
si Miss Nayong Gion. Si Nayong Gion, siya yung GG namin sa Miss Saigon, UK.
Nice.
I imported her just to be here, just to join me.
Wow, that's so cool though.
And
that she came over the Philippines for you.
Kasi we've been wanting to sing together at a concert. So ito na, finally. And then si Mr. Jed Madela
Nice!
and Jonah. Ayan, si Miss Jonah Lynn Veray.
Eto, since maraming ka naman nagawa ng musical theater recently, especially abroad na rin, ang dami mo ng experience. Itong setlist, may mga makikita natin dyan na mga nakanta mo na sa ibang bansa, pero dito ibibigay mo ng sarili mong taste sa atin.
Dito, yes, I would say. Yeah,
Yun?
meron
Pwede
na.
naman, di ba?
Yeah,
We can
yeah.
sing songs from
Yeah. Pero pwede naman. Like yung sa syempre, mga songs from Miss Saigon, di pa rin
Saigon.
mawawala. Yeah. Kaya ako rin in-import si Nayong.
Naman,
Yeah, we will
oo.
sing songs from Miss Saigon. So, yeah, it's very close to our hearts. Tayo mga Pilipino, di ba, mga kanta sa Miss Saigon.
Yes, ito pang maganda. Balita namin, magkakaroon ka rin ng special tribute para sa OPM legend at nag-iisang superstar, Nora Honor.
Yes, ayan. Isa
Kwento
yan.
mo sa amin kung bakit itong tribute and how.
Kasi si Ate Guy, naging friends na namin siya ever since pa. And she supported me way back. I remember 2013. I gave a tribute for her already, actually.
Dati,
Yeah,
no,
dati.
no.
Tapos nanood siya. She came to my concert. And yeah, I was really grateful. And then ever since we've been friends and we've been wanting to work together. Pero yeah, unfortunately,
Of course, hindi na po.
hindi na umabot. But ito, finally, kumbaga, she deserves a really good tribute dito sa concert ko, and
Are you gonna
abangan
gaya
nila.
her? De, joke lang.
Yung mga songs na malalapit sa mga minamahal natin mga Noranians, ayan, abangan nila yan. Oo.
Invite natin sila lahat.
Oo.
At sino pa ba ang mga, so we have Jed Madela, we have
Marco Sison, Nayong Gion, and Jonah.
Ay, si Jonah din. Napakagaling.
Oo. Tapos meron ng special performances for Tawag ng Tanghalan Kids champion Kim Hewitt. And a first runner-up in ASF South Korea singing competition. First placer siya si Faylin Malihan and si Andrea Gutierrez. Yan ang ating
They'll be
Bossa
there
Princess.
too. Grabe,
Bossa Nova
grabe.
Princess, yeah.
So ito na Gerald. Kailan at saan gaganapin yung concert at paano namin pwede makakuha ng tickets? Siyempre, we wanna watch.
Yes, so again, I'm inviting you all to watch my concert, Gerald Santos Dreams, on December 3 na po yan, 7 p.m. at the Newport Performing Arts Theater at the Newport World Resorts. With special guests, Mr. Marco Sison, Ms. Nayong Gion, Mr. Jed Madela, and Jonah. And of course, for tickets, you can avail it at ticketworld.com.ph. And you can visit my social media accounts for the easier access kasi may links doon for ticket pag-avail nila ng ticket.
Ayan ang social media account ni Gerald, nasa yung mga screens, mga kada. Follow him na para sa lahat ng updates, para hindi tayo ma-miss, diba? Itong concert, napakaganda. Congratulations.
Thank you, Diane.
Ahead of time, congratulations na.
Thank
dahil
you.
nga, deserve mo din yun.
Thank you,
At syempre,
kada
huwag mo
umaga.
kaming makalimutan.
Of course,
Balik ka
oo,
dito
thank you.
lagi, please.
Yes,
Anything
yes.
you wanna launch, any concert, if you're gonna announce na magpakasal na kayo. Wow! Kamusta na kayo?
Okay naman.
Diba? Siningit ko ng chismis.
Umano pa, sumegway pa
Gusto
talaga.
mo? Kasi para kilig, di ba? Ayan, ito. Mga kada, ayan, huwag nating mamiss ang concert ni Gerald. I-check nyo na ang social media accounts niya para at least updated po tayo sa lahat, pati kung paano magbili ng tickets. And congratulations once again. Mga kada, dyan lang po kayo. Magbabalik po agad-agad ang Kada Umaga.
Kada Umaga.